This one will be done. This is huge. €1 for 8 minutes.
Okay.
So we need about €4.
I'll take a stay.
This one only takes €1 each, not €2.
Okay, but we have to do more.
Yeah. So we need 2 more. We need like 32 minutes. Or 40 minutes actually. 40 minutes. Right away. You know what I mean? It doesn't like spit it back out and everything.
Do it anywhere you put them.
Put it in water. Make it like, yeah. That's it. I have 1 more and that's, because usually I do 40 minutes back. Our stuff is dry. We went back to the hotel, got the kids. And now I'm just gonna fold them a little bit and put them in the bag and then we're gonna go. All done. Soap in there. Like that. And then just put the €5 in there. We actually got tokens from the change machine. Okay, this one is cold. Start. Yep, that's it. And then this one, €3. Use up all the tokens.
I already did.
Okay. The smaller one, it's €3. And yeah, so this is where you get the soap from. It's €1, €1 and 1.50 for a bigger one. You put the coin in there and you just press one of the numbers, and the thing comes out there. And this is where you get change. Out here they have available paper towels. Isn't that cool? In America, we don't have paper towels like that. Those are the dryers here. Oh, and you know what? Their baskets are cool. Huh? They're plastic. And they have stuff for kids. You see? They have toys for kids. You see? It's cool. And look how big this table is. It's huge. And they have, you know, like soda, water. They even have a coffee machine. Isn't that cool? And they have comfortable chairs. Man. So on this side, it's washing machines for the dogs, like pets' pillows and bedding or blankets.
Separate from.
Yeah, it's separate from all these.
And free Wi-Fi.